GTools has available a stunning 1.4-meter multi-functional rolling workbench with a mega drawer, overhead cabinets and pegboard in a black tinted stainless steel and powder-coated finish. Perfect for those who are looking for a small footprint unit with class for your garage, workshop, hobby or for many general purposes. This system has a thick and sturdy wooden benchtop, 9 heavy-duty lockable drawers to store your important tools and equipment, and 2 overhead cabinets with shelving for additional storage. The square-hole pegboard is extremely useful for hanging tools and for keeping everything within quick reach. The caster wheels make it easier to move around the workspace when needed. Specifications for this unit are 201 grade black tinted stainless steel fascia to drawers and cabinet. Stainless steel pegboards. Black powder coated frame. 9 heavy-duty drawers with 1 mega drawer on the top that is 1.26 meters wide. 2 top overhead storage cabinets. Large pegboard area. 45 kilograms rated ball bearing slides for each drawer. Maximum capacity for drawers is a large 45 kilos. Maximum bench load capacity for the whole unit is a whopping 800 kilos. There are 4 heavy-duty 6-inch casters, 2 with brakes, 2 without brakes. The total width is 1,400 mm without the handles, and it is 485 mm deep and 1,870 mm high. All of the drawers fully extend when opened, so accessing the rear of the drawer is easy. The locking system is quiet and strong. The pegboards are bolted between vertical mounting frames, they do not sit on the top bench itself. This gives extra space for the workbench surface area. The rear vertical frame mounts are made from a fully enclosed square tube, not open tube. This increases the strength of the structure, and the tubes extend all the way down the rear of the cabinet, not just part of the way. This is another high-quality product in the GTools range that will add value and reliability to your garage. Call GTools to secure one.